Hey class, so today is the final part, part 3 of your buying a dream car assignment. This is the PowerPoint presentation. It says your PowerPoint presentation is a maximum of 8 slides. It should have the following. So slide 1 is a picture of the car you selected. Slide 2 is list the make, model, year of the vehicle, and the option features you selected. So if you had a sunroof, you added the GPS system, if you had a tow package, leather interior, whatever options you added, maybe it's a crazy sound system, just tell me the options that you added. Slide 3 is how much you paid for the vehicle, so tell me the total cost of it. And then tell me the down payment. You did part of this already in part 1 and part 2, so just look at the work that you did and handed in to me, and then use that for these slides. Slide 4 is also, I believe, in part 1 or part 2, and tell me the cost of the insurance that you had to do depending on your age and the other factors. Slide 5 is also in previous parts 1 and 2. I gave you a direct link to the cost of gas and other expenses, so you can know how much your vehicle uses and then use that gas price that I gave you. Slide 6, you're going to do the depreciation calculations. So that was also in part 1 and part 2. There was a little chart that I attached. So after 1 year, the cost goes down this much. So tell me the cost after year 1, year 2, year 3, and so on. And slide 7 is your final thoughts and why it is your dream car. So tell me why you chose it, what's so important about it or so special to you, what you thought of this project, anything like that. And you are going to be marked based on the attached rubric. So there's all the different categories there: knowledge and understanding, thinking, inquiring, communication, application, and your levels. So just make sure that you're following this, and that is how I'm going to be marking you. I'm just going to open up the previous assignments just so you can remember this. So remember, this was part 1, your dream car assignment. So make sure you hand in to me. You're going to look through the various websites of the different cars. You should have already done this, but make sure that you hand in these questions answering the following. What is a deductible? What happens to an insurance premium when a deductible is lowered? Okay, what are some of the major factors they consider when giving insurance quotes? Okay, give me 4. So make sure you're answering all of these questions and handing these in to me. Gasoline prices, this is what I talked about. So make sure that you have done all of these, because this is going to help you with your final project, an oil change. Okay? So I just wanted to make sure that you saw this. So this was part 1. So make sure you hand that in to me. These are easy marks. And then part 2, I'll just open up just as revisiting this. So this is the financing versus leasing, new versus used. So make sure you're giving me this assignment. State which option, buying or leasing, would be better in the following scenarios, okay? So a 30-year-old businessman, a college student, an auto mechanic, newlyweds, okay? So answering these questions, your dream car vehicle, okay? All of these are also going to help you with that final project. It helps with every part. Just makes it a little bit easier because you've already done it. Okay, so I am marking this one as well. So make sure that you are handing this in. This is the depreciation that I talked about. That is in there. It tells you how to do it. So after year 1, if your car originally cost $25,000, after 1 year, it's now worth $17,500. Okay, so it was 1 stands for the whole price, and then you're subtracting 30%. Because that's how much it goes down. So, and then use that price to help you with year 2 and so on. Okay? So if you have any questions, please message me on Edsby or email me at stonea.adsb.on.ca. When you hand these in, make sure that you submit it through both Edsby, just attach it, and also email me a copy in case for some reason something goes wrong and you can't see it. Okay, hope all is well, and good luck. And remember, I'm here to help you. Okay, stay safe. We'll talk to you later. Bye.